If you had to start again from zero, what would you do?
Give me a laptop and Wi-Fi and I will be back up in a week.
Okay, but what exactly would you do?
If I really had to start from scratch today, here's what I would do. Step number 1, I would sell a product that already sells. In my case, it's mine. It works and people buy it every day. I keep 100% of the profit, but if you are starting out, then don't overthink it. Just sell what is already working. That's what affiliate marketing is. You simply sell other people's products. This way, you don't need to do customer support, no tech skills is required, and best of all, you don't need to know sales, you just need to post good content. That's it. Step number 2, I look at what's already blowing up for other people. What kind of reels are going viral in my niche? What are top affiliates posting right now? Step number 3, I post 2 to 3 short reels every single day. I could stay faceless, but let's be honest, you make way more money when people see you because trust sells. That's it. That's the magic system. It's not sexy, but it fucking works. Take my student Mark, for example. He followed these steps. He was a fucking taxi driver. No clue how to sell anything online. First month, he made $4,000 more than he did working 10 hours a day as a goddamn taxi driver. And now he makes more than $10,000 a month and he keeps growing. He didn't need a brand, he didn't need a product, he just followed the process. What's your excuse? Still waiting for the right time? This is the right time. And if you don't start now, you probably never will. And because of AI, this will only get tougher. If you don't learn this now, you will get left behind. Ready to get started? Come and mentor below and I mentor you completely for free and do 90% of the work for you. Let's get it.